What is up, guys? In today's video we're going to have a first glimpse at Nike Acg's Holiday 2020 collection, and it's going to be a banger, so let's get it. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So this is KIXPLORE, where we talk everything about sneakers, lifestyle, travel, and a little bit of everything in between. And today we're going to be once again talking about Nike Acg's Holiday 2020 collection, which is something I'm very excited about. I've reviewed a number of Nike Acg sneakers in the past. You can go check them out if you like. But now, as I kind of delved deeper into the brand, I have gone more fond of the actual clothing that they have. It's something that I really do kind of appreciate in terms of clothing, especially if it's functional and it's more than just a look. You know, it actually benefits you against the elements, and that's why I like about Nike Acg. And in today's video we're going to be talking about the new range that it's going to be releasing out on November 12th at selected stores. So let's just dive into it, shall we? As you can see here, this is I'm on Pause Mag. I just went onto their website and I had to look at them because they had a lot of the actual range in their website, so that's something I really liked. I really love the actual pictures and the images that they had. So let's just get straight into it. Before I continue, I just want to say how happy I am that almost all of this amazing collection, 85% to be more exact, is made out of recycled content. So pat on the back to Nike for pushing with its commitment to sustainability. A lot of different pieces coming out from Nike Acg. I think this is called the Misery Ridge gore-tex jacket. I think that's what it's called. There's also another one called the Rope-a-Dope jacket. I'm not really sure which one that is. Could be this one, could be another one, but there are a lot of different pieces which I'm really excited about. This is the first kind of image that I saw on Instagram, and I immediately fell in love with the whole look of how, you know, it's all just kind of put together. I love the sneakers, I love the jacket. It's gore-tex. Those sunglasses are a huge vibe. I definitely gotta, you know, look into those, and the whole beanie thing. I'm really getting to the whole beanie thing, even though it is summer here in Australia, so it kind of sucks. But that's kind of new look that I'm really going for. But this kind of look, especially for the females as well, that looks sick, man. It's a very tech wear vibe kind of color scheme that's going on with them, and you can see that they also have, I think, they also have the trekking poles that they're going to be doing for Nike Acg, which is pretty cool. The vest, oh man, I wish that like, you know, maybe it might look good on guys as well, because that looks really cool. And I don't know, it's something that I really like. And let's look at the next stuff. So this looks like a little fleece jacket put on the like the model. I don't know about the whole how do you call it, this graphic here. Looks cool. Kind of brings back the whole volcanic vibe, because Smith Rock, I think, which was the inspiration for the collection. Yeah, it's a volcanic you know, mountain, I think it is, or a volcanic rock, and I think that's where it's kind of getting their inspiration from. It's a really cool color as well, maroon, very earthy, something that I really appreciate as well. You can see there he's got the really loose skivvy. Really looks really good, and it looks like it would be really comfortable during the winter time, especially when it gets very cold. You know, some more details there. Acg, I'm not sure if that looks like it's embroidered, or it could be a print. I'm not sure, it could be something like that, but the fleece looks really warm. They got the little rope ties for the zippers, which is always really useful. This is another kind of it looks like a pull over jacket. And yeah, it's going again with the whole volcanic kind of graphic draped over the whole jacket, the zip hoodie. It looks really sick. It looks like it's almost you know, weatherproof as well. I could be wrong, I'm not really sure, but what really catches my eye with this one is the actual hoodie. I think it's called the Wolf Tree Polar Hoodie, I think it's what it's called. I like it because it's only got really a space or a hole cut out just for the face or the head, so it really covers your neck area. Because I think one of the things that really annoys me as well, especially when you have a hoodie, is that, you know, the wind gets in and it just kind of annoys you. So it kind of like, or me, when I'm running and I have a hoodie, it kind of affects my ears and stuff, because you can hear it all coming in, and it kind of, when every time you jump or you take a step, like you can feel the hoodie walls just like hitting your ears. I don't know, that's just what I feel like, but I think this is a really good design, and I really like this mustardy color because it works well with the whole collection. Here's another one for the females. Oh man, I love the Acg Bucket Hats. I'm so spewed that I actually missed out on it. I really hope that they do come out with more stock available, because I'm definitely going to get some. Because what I like about it is kind of short at the front, but it's really long at the back, so it covers your back, like your neck, and it provides shade for that as well. And it's got the chin strap as well, so it won't come off. Very cool. I like it how it's all kind of put together, because that's one of the really good things about Nike. They take awesome photos, and yeah, their clothing looks always immaculate in those photos. So next is like, yeah, this is probably my favorite outfit, guys. You can see this guy is draped on, you know, he's got the drip when it comes to the ACG new holiday collection. This is probably the one that I like the most. You can see their gore-tex, so this is definitely gonna be a very pricey jacket. Usually gore-tex materials like that, well, they are very they're waterproof, and not just that, guys. I know that gore-tex, the actual brand, they don't just work with water repellent, they actually do I think they work with fire repellent materials as well. So they really like to go into the kind of the physics and the details of trying to, you know, control like the elements, you know, protecting you from the elements kind of thing. Anyways, what I like about this one, it looks like it's got its own water bottle holder, which is pretty unique. You can also see on the sides, it looks like there's also kind of a strap for your wrist to kind of give that customizable fit as well. I'm really loving the gloves. I don't know if that's a real release or not, or it's from a previous release, but it looks really cool. And even the trekking poles, it matches the whole outfit. The pants, they look pretty good. They don't look like the convertible ones where you can take the zip off to make them shorts, but they look just the way that it's all kind of put together, it looks sick. And guys, can we please speak about the glasses, man? It's like one of those like cycling glasses that the cyclists wear while they're on their bikes riding, and it's got, I don't know, I think that's a whole vibe that's coming back. It's a new trend, especially with the I've seen it on was it Kim Kardashian and that stuff. I think it might be that retro look is going to be coming back around, but I really like these ones, and these definitely look like they're going to be polarizing. But I don't know how this is going to fit on my nose, because I've got a flat nose. I've got those filler noses that are really flat, and it doesn't really work with like big sunglasses, without those little holder things. Anyway, next. So it looks like they have like a whole sweat pants and sweat shirt kind of look going on here. It looks very warm, looks very comfortable. And I think this bag, this bum bag, looks like it was from the Mount Fuji collection, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it looks really well together. Looks really cool. Looks really comfy and warm. There's also this Mother Earth Hugger t-shirt that I think is pretty cool. Very black, monochromatic. I don't know about this jacket though. This jacket doesn't really look like it's a part of the collection. There was only one image of it, and it was of this one. But that's a cool little t-shirt. This is probably another one. It's probably my second favorite look. Even though it's for the girls, I do really like it. The jacket with the straps. I think this might be the Mount Fuji backpack as well. But just looking at it, it looks like it's got heaps of features. You look like you're ready to go out into the outdoors and stuff and take on the elements. It looks like that you can have other little attachments here. I can see the radio again. I think that's pretty important. But yeah, I think it's a really huge vibe, especially on this side here. It looks like you can have a lot of little carabiner attachments to it as well, like a light. Yeah, this lady looks like she's really ready for the elements. She's ready to go hiking. And I think what I could see there on the wristbands as well is those straps for that customizable fit. Something I really do kind of really need, because I got that weird body where things are always long because I need to get bigger sizes. So I need something to kind of adjust the sleeves, even the pants at the hems and stuff. I need that. What else is it? Oh, is that a new hat? I don't think I've seen that kind of style hat. I've got the gore-tex Acg hat, which looks sort of similar to this one, but I don't know if I've seen like one of this material before. Anyway, it looks cool. And as we can see, once again, it is the volcanic graphic on the actual, looks like the zipper hoodie, which I think we've talked about in the previous photo. very aesthetically pleasing, I gotta say. I really like it. And he's just like the full look to it. Oh man, it's such a vibe, man. Like, that's one of the things I have problems with when I go out. Like, how do I color coordinate things? Do I not care? But I always like to do that just in case, you know. I don't know, for photos and stuff. Sorry, but yeah, I like it. So that's why these kind of things really are pleasing to my eye, because it looks visually like appealing to me. And when I could see the shoes at the bottom, I'm not really sure. I can't really zoom in, but I don't know what they are. They could be the Air Nasu. I think I heard that there's a new colorway of that coming out. I'm not really sure. More details will follow soon, I guess. But yeah, here's that vest that I was talking about before as well. I think it's mainly for the females, I'm not sure, but it's a whole vibe with the, you know, the gloves, the vest, and the pants. Oh, it looks really great, especially on the you know, on the women. I think, yeah, that's a vibe. And he's a really cool one. I think this is also I think the call is a wolf tree hoodie. I think that's what it was called. Looks sick, man. Even just normally, like just being cozy in your tent or something, or like while you're going places out in the outdoors, and that's got to be a vibe. Honey mustard. I'm just relating everything to food now. But it looks great with the maroon, and it's, yeah, once again, it's very earthy colors. I don't know what it says there. Here's another image. Is that a I thought it was gonna say something like gore-tex or like something like waterproof or something, but it's not. As you can see there, there's like a huge Joey pouch zipper. Oh no, so it's not a Joey, it's like the side zippers on the stomach area with all the detailing. I like that. It's really cool with the stitching, very unique. And something that I really like about Nike and ACG is that they always try to kind of create different concepts for their clothing and their look. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all the kind of things that they have. They have different colors of everything. And I also wanted to talk about the sneakers that I saw that's come out. As this is called the Nike ACG Mounted Fly Gore-Tex, as you can see there. I saw when I think I was actually camping when I saw these, and oh man, it's like such a vibe. I was like, one of the things that I noticed as well, it's got Gore-Tex materials, which is the best material that you can put on sneakers, because well, when you're camping and stuff or hiking, going into great outdoors, obviously because of its very, you know, its waterproofness, its water repellent capabilities and all that kind of stuff. I don't really care if it's what's good about it as well is that it's not really, you know, it doesn't really get dirty as well, so it doesn't really catch on to all the dirt and all the stuff that you don't want, but it keeps you, you know, it keeps you warm, keeps you cool, keeps the water out, and it's something that I really enjoy. And another thing that I heard that's going into this is the Nike React foam cushioning. If you guys don't know from my previous videos, I love it. It is my favorite cushioning, Nike React foam, and they're putting into these ones. I wasn't really sure which colorway I was gonna get, but this definitely looks like it's gonna be the best vibe, or like the most popular one because of the monochrome coloring. But I did wanna, these ones are alright, all black and stuff, but the one that I wanted the most was this colorway. It is the brown one, because yeah, I don't really have anything of that color, but it, like, for me, it looks like if you get this colorway, you're gonna need like all these different other brown pieces of clothing to go and match with it. So it's something that I really like as well, but I might end, because I already have something that's waterproof or water repellent and in these colors and in this monochrome look, but it looks like it's the best one, and I think that's the one that people are going to want to see more reviews of, so I might go for this one, or I might double up, who knows. But yeah, this is basically my favorite piece out of the whole like lineup. So it's something that you know, we can really hope for in the future, and something that, you know, I'm really excited about as well. So maybe like it's only a couple more days away, so hopefully if you keep posted to all your Nike ACG kind of outlets for more information, I think they're gonna give us everything that we want to know eventually. So let's just look out for that. Anyway, guys, let me know what your thoughts are for the Nike Acg Holiday 2020 range that is coming up. Are you excited? Are you not excited? What's your favorite piece? Let me know in comments below. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me that big thumbs up. And if you like the content, oh man, I keep hitting this. If you like the content that I'm making, please consider subscribing to the channel. Anyway, guys, thank you once again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.